Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the Google account you use for Drive, Photos, or Gmail. Once signed in, open File Settings to see storage usage and the free 15 GB breakdown. This tells you why you need more. Make sure a valid payment method is on file before purchasing. This avoids interruptions. Now, navigate to Google One or Storage Settings to begin the upgrade process, because choosing the right plan here sets how much room you gain and which features unlock. Next, you compare available plans: 100 GB, 200 GB, 2 TB, evaluating price, family sharing, and benefits. Once you pick a plan, choose monthly versus annual billing. Annual often saves money over time. Proceed to checkout, enter or confirm your payment method, and complete any two-step verification prompts that protect your account. After payment, Google applies storage immediately, so you can start moving files right away. Make sure to note renewal terms so you don't get Finally, organize and migrate files. Upload big archives to Drive, enable Photos backup, or shift email attachments to free space. Once done, use Google One Storage View to monitor usage and follow cleaning recommendations to reclaim space. If something goes wrong, check billing history first and verify the purchase processed, then confirm Drive sync settings and account limits. A common fix is signing out and back in, or clearing app cache. Do that before contacting support to save time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.